Hello everyone, this is lecture number 5, subject name client side scripting language, semester number 5, diploma computer MSBTE. Right? Today we are going to study the operators and the property in JavaScript. Before this lecture we have discussed different topics of JavaScript, features of Java, and then types of statement of Java, conditional, looping, sequential statement, array, function. Now we are going to study the operators and the property in JavaScript. Okay, so first we start with the questions. uh, IMP questions. First question: explain arithmetic operator. As we know, there are different operating arithmetic operators in every programming language. So arithmetic operators are plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus, increment and decrement. Okay, plus means increment, minus means decrement. Comparison operator like equal to operator, not equal to operator, greater than operator, less than operator, greater than equal to, less than equal to. Third is the logical operator. Logical operator like and, logical or, and logical not. It's the same way bitwise operator, bitwise and, bitwise or, and bitwise not, and also bitwise XOR. Okay. Then assignment operator equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to, division equal to, and mod equal to, modulus equal to. And finally conditional operator. Conditional operator is the single line if statement, if else statement, single line if else statement. Right? Question mark and colon. We already seen conditional operator in Java also, in Java programming language also. Right? Then question number 7: what is a property and how access the property in JavaScript? So we will see uh, the property, example of property and definition of property. And question number 8, it is very important question: write a JavaScript to create person object with properties first name, last name, age, eye color, and delete the eye color property and display the remaining properties of a person object. Right? So we are going to learn total 8 question in this lecture. Right? First we start with the arithmetic operator. Okay, so what is an operator? Okay, question number what is an operator? Right? So there, in expression there are the two things. First is the operand and second is the operator. And operand may be a variable, maybe a immediate value. For example, c equal to a plus b. So here a and b are a variable. For example, c equal to 2 plus 3. So 2 and 3 are operand and plus is the operator, and equal to is the assignment operator. Right? So operator is a, what we can say, operator is a part of the expression which perform certain task. Okay, it operator is the part of the expression which perform some task. Okay, so JavaScript supports the following types of operator. We already seen in the questions. Right? Arithmetic operator, comparison operator, and the logical operator, assignment operator, and the conditional operator. We will see one by one all the operators in Java. Right? So first we start with the arithmetic operator. If this question asked in an exam, for example, explain the arithmetic operator in JavaScript. Right? So you should write a program. Okay, write a program, explain your answer with the program. Right? So this is a arithmetic operator program. This is a very simple program. Okay, so first HTML tag, body tag, then script type, Okay, type is a attribute of a script tag. Script tag indicate the interpreter that JavaScript code will begin. Okay, so here variable a equal to 33, variable b equal to 10, and variable c. It is very simple and very easy example. Document.write for the display the uh, content on a screen on a browser. A plus b equal to, then perform the operation, result equal to a plus b. Document.write result, so answer will be what, 43, right? Same as document.write a minus b equal to result is a variable, sorry, we can take here c, or we convert the where c uh, as a result. I did mistake here. ओके, तो हमको क्या करना है कि वेयर सी के बदले रिजल्ट लिख दो या रिजल्ट के बदले सी लिख दो। यहाँ पे मेरे से टाइपिंग मिस्टेक हो गया है, राइट? तो रिजल्ट अभी वो सी के बदले आप रिजल्ट ही काउंट लिख दो। ओके, ऐसा कंसिडर करो, वेयर रिजल्ट, देन रिजल्ट इक्वल टू ए माइनस बी, डॉक्यूमेंट डॉट राइट रिजल्ट, आउटपुट विल बी ए इक्वल टू 33 एंड 10 इक्वल बी इक्वल टू 10, तो आंसर विल बी 23। okay, for division operator, a divided by b, a is what, 33 and b equal to 10, the output will be what, 3.3. okay, modulus operator, mod operator always return a what, remainder of a expression. okay, 33 divided by 10, so remainder will be 3, so here our answer will be 3. okay, and multiplication, okay, same as do multiplication, 33 into 10, 33 into 10 equal to 330 will be answer, right? So if this question asked in exam, write a program and explain the program, okay, for 4 marks. okay, then second is the comparison operator. okay, अब ये comparison operator क्या है, it is a determine the difference between the variable, right? कि यहाँ पे जो कंपैरिजन ऑपरेटर में जो भी आउटपुट होगा वो बुलियन में होगा, राइट? बुलियन मीन्स ट्रू और फॉल्स, आइदर कंडीशन इज ट्रू आइदर कंडीशन इज फॉल्स, राइट? तो जिसका जो भी आंसर होगा वो ट्रू या फॉल्स होगा, राइट? तो ये याद रखना है कि इसमें कोई इंटीजर वैल्यू या स्ट्रिंग वैल्यू आउटपुट में नहीं आएगा, it always return a boolean value, right? okay, for example a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. okay, तो और comparison operator, double equal to indicate the comparison operator and single equal to indicate the assignment operator. okay, remember this. okay, double equal to is a comparison operator and the single equal to indicate as a assignment operator, right? So in first condition, okay, result equal to, okay, result equal to a double equal to b. okay, so a equal to b, a is 10, b is 20, no, so answer will be false. So document dot write false, answer will be false. Second is the a less than b. okay, a less than b, a is 10, b is 20, yes, a is less than b, answer will be true. okay, then third condition, a greater than b, is this true? A value 10 and b value is 20, right? For sorry, here a less than b, it is also true, and the a greater than b, uh, a less than b, right? And a greater than b, no, a is greater than b, no. okay, so condition is false. okay, a not equal to b, okay, so answer will be false, right? Answer will be true, yes. A is not equal to b, right? A is greater than equal to b, okay, So a is greater than equal to b, तो a is 10, नो आंसर विल बी फॉल्स, राइट। तो इस तरह आपको क्या करना है, एक प्रोग्राम लिखना है, उसका आउटपुट लिखना है फॉर कंपेरिजन ऑपरेटर, एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर कंपेरिजन ऑपरेटर ऑलवेज रिटर्न अ बुलियन आउटपुट आइदर ट्रू और false, right? We use the comparison operator in a if conditional statements like if else statement, okay? Then logical operator like double and logical and, we can call it as a double logical and, logical or, and the logical not, okay? In logical and operator, right, if both the operands are non-zero, then condition will be true in logical and operator. So we see a b 0001 in half adder, also we seen in DTE a b 0001 1011. If both are true, then output will be true in logical and, right? In logical or, if any of the two operands are non-zero, means if any of two operand are true, then output will be true, okay? So if a and b 0001 1011, okay, so if both are 0, then output will be 0 in or condition, otherwise output will be 1, right? And is a complements, right? It if output is true and we complement and we use the AND operator, so it will convert it into the false, it converting true into false and false into true, right? So we will see, we here see the example, HTML body script a equal to true and b equal to false, right? A and b, okay, so one condition is true, other is false, so output will be false. A or b, one true, second false, so output will be true, okay? And the not a double and b, right? Now a logical or b, so the answer of a and b is false, but we use the not operator in third condition, so it converted into true, okay? So this is a logical operator. Third one is the bitwise operator, okay? Remember, in bitwise operator always convert your operand or variable or your number into the binary, and it perform the operation on a binary of that number. For example, here a equal to 2 and b equal to 3, a and b, so a and b, a is 1 0 and the b is 1 1, so output will be what, okay? It ending the result, so 0 1 0 1 1 1, the output will be 2, right? For ORing operation, it what perform on a bit level, a equal to 2 means 1 0 and b equal to 3 means 1 1, then 0 1 1 1 1 1, the output will be 3. So first output will be 0, second output will be 1, right? Okay, and this is the XOR, right? Third condition is for the XOR condition. Remember XOR condition, if both or all inputs are same, then output will be 0, otherwise output will be 1, right? If a and b both are the 0 0, then output will be 0, right? 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, for 0 0 output will be 0, for 0 1 output will be 1, for 1 0 output will be 1, for 1 1 output will be 0, right? So both, if both or all input are same, then only output will be 0, otherwise output will be 1, right? Here a XOR b, what is the value of a? 1 0, and what is the value of b? 1 1, right? 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1, and 1 1 0, 1 1 is the what, look here, 0 1 1 1 1 0, the output will be 1, so here output will be 1, result document note, right? Here result will be 1, right? Then not, right? So uh, we use the tilde sign for indicating the not operator. B, what is the value of B? B is 1 1, right? So it convert into 0 0, right? The output will be 0. So output we for a not operator, it make complement of the B variable. The first not operator convert 3 into binary form is 1 1, and converting 1 1 into the 0 0, the output will be 0, right? So this is a bitwise operator, right? Assignment operator, it is very easy. Okay, equal to is the assignment operator. We use the equal to with the arithmetic operator. Plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to, division equal to, right? So we take the same variable a and b. A equal to 33 and b equal to 10, right? So a equal to b, so a become b, right now. So b is 10, so a become 10. In first document dot write value of a equal to b. A equal to b means what? It assign the value of b into a. The value of b is 10 and value of a become 10. So result will be 10. Okay, document dot write plus equal to b. So a is 10 and b is 10. So 10 plus 10 20. So output will be 20. Minus equal result equal to a minus equal to b means a equal to a minus b. Okay, so 10 minus 10 means 10 0, output will be 0. Multiplication 10 into 10, output will be 100. 10 divided by 10, output will be 1, right? Mod 10 mod 10 0, output will be 0, right? You can practice it on your PC or laptop. Okay, and then write down the answers. Okay, final operator is a conditional operator. We can call it as a what, single line if else statement, right? So we will see here of the what, a equal to 10, b equal to 20. Document dot write. Okay, here condition is what? uh, Document dot write, it indicate the condition a greater than b question mark 100 or colon 20, right? So result equal to a greater than b. Is that true? A greater than b. A is 10, b is 20. 10 is greater than 20? No, the condition is false. So result will be 200, right? The document dot write result will 200. For second example, a result equal to a less than b question mark 100 and 200, right? So a is 10, b is 20. So 10 is less than 20. Yes, 10 is less than 20, true. Then result will be 100, right? Okay, so here the result will be 100. In first example, result will be condition false, result will be 20. In second example, condition true and result will be 100, right? So it is a very simple operator, conditional operator. Okay, right? So we finish here the conditional operator, and now we will see the property in JavaScript. Okay, so the property means it is a, what is the javascript is a object based programming language, scripting language. JavaScript is a object based scripting language. Okay, so property are the values associated with a JavaScript object, or value which is associated with the object, right? Is called as the what, properties. Okay, and we can say the attributes of a object. For example, uh, student is a object. Okay, so what are the properties of the student? Okay, we can say attributes and the what, domain. Okay, of a object. For example, student is a student having the roll number. Roll number is a property. name is a property, and class is a property, branch is a property, student phone number is a property, student height is a property. Okay, so property is the value associated with the object. So JavaScript object is a collection of the unordered properties. Okay, JavaScript object is here the definition of the object in JavaScript is a collection of unordered properties. And in a programming language, what is the definition of object? Object is a collection of the data member and member function. In JavaScript, object is only a collection of the database, right? Data member. Okay, so in JavaScript, object is containing the what properties, data properties of a object, means it contain only the data member. Okay, JavaScript object not contain the member functions. Property can be usually be changed, added, and deleted. In JavaScript, we can add the property, we can delete the property, and we can change the property, and we can make property as a read only, right? So in JavaScript, we can change the property. In programming language, like Java, C++, first we define the class, and then we creating the object, and by using the object we can call the properties of that object. Okay, but we cannot add new property in that class by statement, by expression, by programming. If you want to add the new property in a class in object oriented programming, you must create a property in a class as a data member, right? But in JavaScript, here the possibility to we can create a properties, attributes, we can delete attributes. Okay, we can change the attributes, right? So we can we can change, and we can make some property as a read only. Okay, so we or in a JavaScript there are two kind of the property: data property and the accessor property. A data property is the property most of us are familiar with. It is a property used in 99% of our code, right? Data property means what? A property which is defined in a defined at a class at a class creation time, and when we return a program, then we create a property is called as the data property. But accessor property defined by the getters and setter, right? uh, Getter and setter, right? There are two tools for defining property as a accessor property: getter, which get the property value, and setter, which set the property value. Okay, in JavaScript, an object property is a name, value, and set of attributes, right? So it may be a set of attributes, right? The value may be reached by one or two methods, okay, known as the getter and a setter. The value may be replaced by one or two methods, right? Okay, so we can change the property by using the getter and setter, two method, by using the getter method and by using the setter method. Property defined by the getter and setter are sometimes known as the accessor properties, right? So there are the two function, there are two types of property: data properties and the accessor property. Data property we define at the time of the creation of the program, and accessor property we can creating the new property, we can access the what value of the property by using the two method. One is the getter, second is the setter, right? So this is enough for the property. We will see how to access properties uh, in JavaScript. Okay, so we can access property by using the object name dot property. Same as in programming language, we can access the property by public property in the Java and the C++ by using the object name dot property, object name dot attribute name, right? Second way, object name in square bracket double inverted comma property. Here example person dot name, here person square bracket double inverted and then name, right? And third one is the object name and the in square bracket expression means variable name, right? X equal to name person X. Okay, so by three way, okay, we can access the property in JavaScript. Okay, so okay, so we will see, we here see the uh, answer of the question number 8. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 क्या था वो हम देख लेते हैं, राइट? एंड फाइनली उसका आंसर। ओके, द राइटर जावा, ये क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आया है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। इसमें क्या करना है हमको, प्रॉपर्टी को क्या करना है हमको डिफाइन करना है। राइटर जावास्क्रिप्ट टू क्रिएट पर्सन ऑब्जेक्ट विथ प्रॉपर्टीज फर्स्ट नेम लास्ट नेम एज आई कलर डिलीट द आई कलर, राइट? तो ये 4 मार्क्स के लिए है और बाकी की रिमेनिंग को हमको डिस्प्ले करना है, राइट? ये हमारा MSBT का क्वेश्चन है जो एग्ज़ाम में पूछा हुआ, राइट? तो यहाँ पे हमको वो प्रोग्राम यहाँ पे हमको देखना है, राइट? ओके, तो HTML बॉडी एज यूजुअल एंड द स्क्रिप्ट इज़ व्हाट, बॉडी टैग के अंदर हमने स्क्रिप्ट लिखा है, स्क्रिप्ट टैग टाइप इक्वल टू जावास्क्रिप्ट भी आप लिख सकते हो। हाउ टू क्रिएट ऑब्जेक्ट इन जावास्क्रिप्ट, अगर ऐसा क्वेश्चन है तो इसका आंसर यहाँ पे है, जो ब्लू कलर में लिखा हुआ है ब्लू टेक्स्ट में, वो हाउ टू क्रिएट ऑब्जेक्ट इन जावास्क्रिप्ट। VAR वर्ड इज अ कीवर्ड फॉर क्रिएटिंग ऑब्जेक्ट इन जावास्क्रिप्ट, राइट? पर्सन इज अ ऑब्जेक्ट नेम इक्वल टू ओपन पेरेंथ ओपन ब्रास first name and first name John, last name you can take any name, age, eye color, right? तो ये हमने क्या किया, एक पर्सन का एक क्या बना दिया हमने, एक क्लास ऑब्जेक्ट बना दिया, ऑब्जेक्ट। ओके, यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट बनाया हमने डायरेक्टली बाय यूजिंग द वर्ड कैरेक्टर, राइट? तो आपको अगर प्रॉपर्टी को नई प्रॉपर्टी अगर डिफाइन करनी है, राइट? तो नई प्रॉपर्टी हम डिफाइन कैसे करेंगे? फॉर एग्जांपल पर्सन डॉट फ़ोन नंबर, तो पर्सन डॉट फ़ोन नंबर इक्वल टू 989898 सबनी, तो वो बाय यूजिंग सेटर मेथड और ऑटोमेटिकली जो उसका जो पर्सन प्रॉपर्टी क्रिएट हो जाएगा और ऑब्जेक्ट के बिलोंग करेगा। यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है हमने, पर्सन डॉट फ़ोन नंबर, तो फ़ोन नंबर हमने बाय यूजिंग सेटर से सेट किया। एंड बाय यूजिंग गेटर क्लास, गेटर से हम क्या करेंगे, गेटर कैसे करना है, जैसे कि हमको गेट करना है किसको, एज को, राइट? तो पर्सन डॉट एज, एज को हमने गेट किया तो एज क्या हो जाएगा वहाँ पे डिस्प्ले हो जाएगा, अगर डिस्प्ले किया तो, राइट? तो हमको क्या करना है, ये एग्जाम्पल में आई कलर को डिलीट करना है, राइट? तो वी कैन set the property, define new property, remove the property, update the property, right? तो delete person is your object name dot eye color, तो eye color delete हो गया, right? document dot write after delete person dot first name display हो जाएगा, person dot last name display हो जाएगा, person dot age display हो जाएगा, and then person dot eye color, तो eye color में वहाँ पे क्या आएगा कि undefined व्हाट प्रॉपर्टी, वहाँ पे प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है। अगर हमने इससे पहले पर्सन डॉट फोन करके कोई प्रॉपर्टी क्रिएट किया और यहाँ पे हमने प्लस करके पर्सन डॉट फोन किया तो वहाँ पे डिस्प्ले हो जाएगा। तो यहाँ पे 3 चीज़ें हैं कि हमने एक प्रॉपर्टी को क्रिएट भी कर सकते हैं, डिलीट भी कर सकते हैं, अपडेट भी कर सकते हैं, राइट? तो यहाँ पे ये क्वेश्चन फिनिश होगा। तो ये एग्जाम में ये गेटर और सेटर का आता है, हाउ टू सेट द प्रॉपर्टी, हाउ टू गेट द प्रॉपर्टी। सेट करना है तो क्या करना है, ऑब्जेक्ट नेम डॉट न्यू प्रॉपर्टी नेम, जो भी प्रॉपर्टी आपको क्रिएट करना है उसका नाम एंड द वैल्यू, राइट। फॉर एग्जांपल फॉर इन दिस एग्जांपल वी क्रिएट द व्हाट फोन नंबर, पर्सन डॉट फोन नंबर इक्वल टू समथिंग वॉट एवर, जो भी फोन नंबर आपको देना है वो, राइट। और कुछ दूसरा प्रॉपर्टी पर्सन डॉट मिडल नेम देना, पर्सन डॉट मिडल नेम आप डिफाइन कर दो, राइट। डिलीट करना है तो डिलीट कीवर्ड एंड योर ऑब्जेक्ट नेम डॉट प्रॉपर्टी नेम, तो वो डिलीट हो जाएगा, राइट। और इस तरह हम ये इसको प्रॉपर्टी को गेट भी करेंगे और सेट भी करेंगे, राइट। तो यहाँ पे एक चैप्टर नंबर 1 एंड 2 मोस्ट ऑफ पूरा कवर हो गया है चैप्टर नंबर 1 एंड 2 में, राइट। तो यहाँ पे चैप्टर नंबर जो कुछ थोड़े थाड़े टॉपिक बाकी हो गए वो हम देख लेंगे, राइट। तो उसके बाद जो चैप्टर नंबर 3 हम स्टार्ट करेंगे, फॉर्म्स एंड द इवेंट हैंडलिंग इन जावास्क्रिप्ट, राइट। तो अभी तक के चैप्टर नंबर 2 हमारा कंप्लीट हुआ है, राइट। तो इसमें जो भी क्वेरी है, डाउट है, आप कमेंट बॉक्स में डालो। और मेरा एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करो, राइट। कि जो स्टूडेंट को जहाँ पे क्लासेस वगैरह नहीं हो रहे तो वहाँ पे उनको थोड़ा सपोर्ट हो जाएगा, राइट। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।